subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has launched its new smartphone under A series globally called Galaxy A52 and Galaxy A72. Both of these devices share quite similar design but are different in terms of specifications. And among these two, the Galaxy A72 is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the Samsung Galaxy A72 features a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with up to 90Hz refresh rate support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset coupled with Adreno 618 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Galaxy A72 supports a quad camera setup on the rear and a rectangular module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The quad rear camera includes a 64MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 12MP ultra wide angle lens with 123° field of view plus 8MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom support and a 5MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. At the front, it has an 32MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 25W fast charging. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on One UI 3.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication and it is IP67 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165 by 77.4 by 8.4mm and it weighs around 203 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Samsung Galaxy A72 has been priced at €449 in the European market and it will be soon available for purchase in awesome black, awesome blue, awesome white and awesome violet color options. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy A72 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.